Good morning, everyone. This is Urobo Bible Reading Platform. Today we are reading Matthew chapter 2, verse 10 to 12 in Urobo language. Obe Matthew Uyobi Royi Ive Awo Royi Ikwe Rite Ikwive. Verse 10. Hoke Re Aye Womre Isio Na Ro Mudia Hayeda Gogo Gaga. Verse 11. Hayeda Ro Uwewi Na Hayeda Mre Omo Na Kugbe Mary Re Oni Royin Hayede Digwe Hayeda Waro Hayede Ye Ekpu Rayin Hayede Ru Esike Ovu Kire Oru Orive Agija Orera Ugboduma. Verse 12. Re Ogene Wo Pokpai Ke Aye Ve Evire Ne Aye Rimi Ru Erod Ra Ayeda Wa Igere Offer Bo. Thank you for seeing me.